The concept of vibrating correctly taps into the profound and often mystical idea that at the core of our being, we are composed of vibrations. These vibrations reflect our health, emotional state, and spiritual well-being. In the holistic view of human nature, how we resonate with ourselves and the world around us can significantly influence our physical health and spiritual growth. This notion is not merely a spiritual or esoteric idea, but is also mirrored in the vibrations of atoms and molecules that make up all matter, including the human body. Central to this understanding is the pineal gland, a small pinecone-shaped endocrine gland located in the brain. Often referred to as the third eye in spiritual traditions, the pineal gland is shrouded in mystery and is believed to be the physical gateway to higher levels of consciousness and the spiritual world. In health contexts, it regulates vital hormones like melatonin, which affects sleep patterns and seasonal biological rhythms. The gland's ability to impact both our waking life and our spiritual experiences positions it uniquely at the intersection of science and spirituality, making its proper function key to vibrating at our optimal frequency. In both a literal and metaphysical sense, vibrations form the essence of existence. Physically, everything in the universe, from the smallest particles to the vast galaxies, vibrates at specific frequencies. These frequencies dictate the structural outcomes and behaviors of all matter. In the human body, vibrations can be understood through the dynamic, rhythmic movements within cells, organs, and systems, all resonating in a complex, harmonious ballet that maintains life. From a spiritual health perspective, vibrations take on a more profound significance. Here, the belief is that each person emits a unique vibrational frequency that can change based on their emotions, thoughts, and spiritual health. Positive emotions like love and compassion are believed to resonate at higher frequencies, thereby promoting well-being and a deeper connection to the spiritual realm. Conversely, negative emotions such as fear and anger vibrate at lower frequencies, potentially leading to physical and spiritual maladies. The science of vibrations in the human body intersects significantly with the field of biofield science, which studies the complex energy patterns the body emits. Research in quantum physics and biofield science suggests that the human body is not only biological in nature but also a complex electromagnetic field. This field is influenced by the myriad electrical and chemical processes occurring within the body at any given moment. The heart and brain are particularly potent centers of bioelectrical and biomagnetic activity, capable of influencing the personal biofield. Understanding these vibrations involves examining how they contribute to health and disease. For instance, the coherence of heart rhythms can affect emotional states and stress levels, while brainwave patterns can influence consciousness, attention, and mental health. Techniques that manipulate these rhythms and patterns, such as meditation, yoga, and sound therapy, are used to tune the body's vibrations to a state that fosters both physical health and spiritual well-being, highlighting the interconnectedness of our entire being. The pineal gland, while tiny, plays a monumental role in both physiological processes and mystical experiences. Located deep in the center of the brain, it produces melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles and seasonal biological rhythms. This critical function underscores its importance in maintaining not only sleep quality but also general physical health. Disruptions in melatonin production can affect everything from mood to immune system performance, illustrating the gland's extensive influence on wellness. Historically and culturally, the pineal gland has been revered in numerous spiritual traditions. In Hinduism, it is associated with the third eye chakra, believed to be the seat of intuition and foresight. Similarly, in ancient Egyptian culture, the symbol of the Eye of Horus is thought to represent the pineal gland, suggesting a link to insight and knowledge. These associations stem from the gland's reputed ability to influence psychic phenomena and spiritual enlightenment. In terms of spiritual awakening, the pineal gland is often seen as a mediator between the physical and spiritual worlds. Its position in the brain and its functions hint at a gateway to higher consciousness. Activating or awakening the pineal gland is said to help individuals tap into a higher state of awareness, where spiritual clarity and intuition are significantly enhanced. This awakening is often described as a pivotal experience in one's spiritual journey, leading to profound insights and a deeper connection with the universe. Thus, the health and functionality of the pineal gland are considered vital for anyone pursuing a path of spiritual growth and holistic well-being. Optimizing the function of the pineal gland involves integrating specific lifestyle and dietary changes, along with adopting certain practices that promote its health and vitality. These techniques are designed not only to vibrate correctly, but also to decalcify and activate the pineal gland, enhancing its ability to function as a portal to higher consciousness. 1. Diet. The pineal gland is particularly sensitive to calcification due to environmental toxins and dietary choices. To support its health, reducing intake of fluoride, which is commonly found in tap water and toothpaste, is crucial. Consuming foods rich in antioxidants can help combat oxidative stress that contributes to calcification. Foods that are particularly beneficial include raw cacao, garlic, tomatoes, and watermelon, which are high in antioxidants and magnesium. Additionally, adding foods rich in iodine such as seaweed or iodized salt can help detoxify the gland. 2. Sunlight exposure. Regular exposure to natural sunlight can stimulate the pineal gland. Sunlight received through the eyes can trigger the gland's activation, thereby regulating sleep patterns and hormonal functions. 3. Meditation and breathing techniques. Practices such as meditation and specific breathing techniques can have profound effects on the pineal gland. Techniques like the breath of fire, a rapid, rhythmic nasal breathing, help increase oxygen flow to the brain, stimulating the pineal gland. Meditation that focuses on the third eye, such as visualizing a blue or purple light at the center of the forehead, can also activate this vital gland. 4. Sleep hygiene. Maintaining a dark environment during sleep and following a regular bedtime routine can support the natural rhythm of melatonin production by the pineal gland. This not only improves sleep quality, but also ensures the gland's optimal functioning. Through these targeted approaches, dietary adjustments, sunlight exposure, mindful practices, and proper sleep hygiene, one can effectively enhance the function of the pineal gland. These methods not only improve physical health, but also facilitate a deeper spiritual connection and personal growth. Maintaining optimal vibration through the pineal gland offers extensive benefits across mental, physical, and spiritual dimensions of health. When this gland functions effectively, it regulates the production of melatonin, ensuring better sleep quality and, consequently, improved mental clarity and emotional stability. The enhancement in sleep patterns leads to stronger immune system responses and better hormonal balance, which are crucial for overall physical health. On a spiritual level, an activated and healthy pineal gland is believed to expand consciousness and deepen one's connection to the spiritual realm. This is often experienced as an increased sense of intuition and access to higher states of awareness. Individuals may find themselves more attuned to their inner guidance, experiencing moments of profound insight and enlightenment that are less accessible when the gland is dormant or calcified. Furthermore, correct vibrational practices that stimulate the pineal gland, such as meditation and specific dietary habits, contribute to a state of inner peace and harmony. This can significantly reduce stress levels, thereby lowering the risk of numerous stress-related ailments. By vibrating at a frequency that aligns with the natural world and the universe, individuals can achieve a holistic sense of well-being, experiencing a meaningful connection with themselves and the world around them. This alignment not only promotes health, but also facilitates a journey of personal and spiritual growth. We've explored how vibrating correctly to activate the pineal gland enhances our mental, physical, and spiritual health. Embracing practices that align and optimize our vibrations can lead to profound personal growth and a deeper understanding of our own energy, fostering a harmonious connection with the universe.